Can you see that? The resistance part welding is working. It's welding two sheets at two different locations. Could you observe that one? So here, this is how we can simulate. We can take time-based simulation, and we can find out how much time it will take to complete the total process of assembly or manufacturing anything else. Is there any extra robot you need? Anything else you can? These are all drag drop. You can have a model of a robot, bring the robot, and you can program it, and you can see in reality what it is. That any other information? Yes, and you can see this one is
human simulation.
Human ergonomy simulation, human behavior. Usually in India, we will allow anybody, even a pregnant lady will carry 10 stones and will walk in a first floor. But in foreign countries, there are some limitations. How many kilogram of weight they can carry? What is the maximum amount of stress they are permitted to take up in their spinal cord? Everything is limited. So that also needed. And you can also think about a common man. How many number of man workers you need in between the process, taking the workpiece and keeping in another. If it is not fully automatic, if a robot does not do the loading unloading process, it can do all the ergonomic simulations. Okay, next one please. And there are simulations with what is that one? Virtual reality. Now you can see steps are counted. Actually, there are motion studies, right? Somebody would have been done it, right? Motion studies. How take the step 1, take it. Step 2, walk to the other machine. Step 3, keep it like that. So these kind of how much time it takes, all these things will tell about the total process throughput time. So here you can see everything you can integrate, right? So this is a virtual reality mode, right? For example, what I told you can either you can create your own factory in a virtual environment and you put your VR camera and you can walk inside your factory. Yeah. And there are also possibilities now. There are some projects where existing company they want to do some alternate change in the process layout or product layout. They cannot do it physically. So what they do, they want to reverse. So in that case, you can use a LiDAR scanner or any other satellite scanner to scan the total factory, and you can have different kinds of people. There are some companies, they will take scanners and they will scan all your machine, everything. They will virtual industry they will make, and then they will tell about all these things, how to do it. So that the new industry, they can go for some 4.0, industry 4.0 connected with IoT, all these things they can have. So this is how you can do, right? Actually the software, as I told you, there are very few people who know the software, but there are a lot of requirements. It's one of the famous software by Siemens.
Yes.
I think no competitor for such kind of plant simulations. They are the main players. If any students study this course, surely they will get a job. But we have a lot of instructors deficiency also. We should bring someone from Bangalore so that to give full training. But we have all the training modules. What is the things? Manuals. Everything is available. YouTube channels are available. If somebody can learn, they can learn. It's up to them. In our days, college days, 1990s, normal CAD, 2D drawing itself has become. It has given a lot of enlightenment. But now the current students need to know all these things. Before they know all these things, that's what they should learn the fundamentals like welding. What are the different kinds of welding? Because a machine will come. They should know what the machine is going to do. What are the different kinds of grippers in a robot? What's a robot motion? Whether it is taking, whether I have to keep the robot left turn or I have to take the right turn. What is the decision? Why I should do it? All these things.